Mental Healthcare Act 2017. A. Create national and state level mental health authority. B. Promote use of electroconvulsive therapy. C. Decriminalize the attempt to commit suicide. D. Not a responsibility of law enforcing agencies. Among these four options, only two are correct. So you have to choose A, B, C, D. Which among the four options two are correct? Let us go back. See, the Mental Health Care Act 2017 is a significant milestone in the evolution of mental health care in India. It proposes the establishment of National Mental Health Authority at the national level and state mental health authorities at the state level. These bodies are tasked with the responsibility of upholding the quality and standard of mental health services. A notable feature of this act is the decriminalization of the attempt to commit suicide, recognizing that such attempts often stem from severe mental distress and that individual needs care and support, not punishment. So the correct answer is option C. Option C is A and C are correct. That is, it creates national and state level mental health authorities. C is D, tries to decriminalize the attempt to commit suicide, to give treatment and care for the attempted suicide patient, not give punishment. And definitely promoting the use of electroconvulsive therapy is wrong. It is actually trying to curb the use of electroconvulsive therapy. It is no longer scientifically very useful, proven to be useful. That's why it is trying to suppress it. And definitely it is the responsibility of a law enforcing agency. Here the option is not a responsibility, which is also wrong. That's why A and C are correct. There are many ways of classifying food. Which among the following among three major types of food as per classification by predominant function? A. Bodybuilding food. B. High fat, salt and sugar food. C. Energy giving food. D. Protective food. Among the confusion here, they are given either 2 are correct or 3 are correct. A, B, C and D are the option. See, the foods can be classified in various ways, but when focusing on their predominant function, A. Bodybuilding, they are rich in protein, so that is necessary for the growth and maintenance and repair. Examples include beans, lentils, meat, dairy. These are all bodybuilding foods rich in food protein, so it is a very essential major component of food. Our next one is energy giving food. The energy giving foods provide the necessary energy for daily activity, primarily include carbohydrates and fat such as grains, that is rice, wheat, chapati. They are all coming under grains. Oil, sugar, they are all energy giving, so they are also major component of food. Next one is protective food, those rich in essential vitamins and minerals that help protect against diseases and maintain optimal health. So they include fruit, vegetables, nuts and seeds. So understanding these categories helps in planning balanced diet and ensuring optimal health. So the correct answer here is, as per predominant function, if you ask, the correct answers are bodybuilding food, energy giving foods, protective foods are very important as per predominant function giving food. Whereas high fat sugar foods, they are harmful for the body. Without this, our body can survive. With low fat, low sugar, low salt, definitely we can survive. But high fat, high salt, high sugar is definitely not a major type of food component according to body function. It is not needed. The correct answer is C. That is A, C and D only.